Hello, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math. Question number 17. A jug with a capacity of 0.98 liter is 6/7 full of juice. So the jug here, when it is full, 0.98 liter, and now is 6/7 full of juice. 6/7 full, 0.98 times 6/7. Use a calculator to calculate. Times 6 and divide by 7. 21/25, which is 0.84. 0.84. And next, 1/3 of the juice is poured into a glass. So poured into a glass. We notice that is 1/3 of the juice. The juice here times 1/3. That means divide by 3. 0.84 divide by 3. 0.28. 0.28 liter of juice was poured into the glass. So question part A, how much juice is left in the jug? Pour into a glass and left 0.84 minus the amount we poured out. 0.84 minus 0.28, 0.56 left in the jug. Okay, here. And part B, the capacity of the glass is 2/5 of the capacity of the jug. So about the glass, the capacity of the glass is 2/5 of the jug. The jug is 0.98 liter times 2/5. 2/5 is 0.4. So we use 0.898 times 0.4. 0.392. 0.392 liter. And if the capacity of a bottle is twice as much as the capacity of the glass, and a new container, a bottle, 3 times, twice, 0.392 times 3 times that the capacity of the glass, times 3. When we are solving the question, you don't need to always click the button AC or clear, because sometimes the answer we need to use in the next step. So try not to press the button or clear. So 1.176 liters, the bottle. What is the total capacity of the bottle, the jug, and the glass? Total capacity 0.98 liter, which is the capacity of the jug, plus 0.392 liters, which is the capacity of the glass, and the bottle 1.176 liters, 1.176 plus 0.392 plus 0.98, that here 2.548 liters, 2.548 liters. Okay, answer A, 0.56 liters, the amount of juice left in the jug. And part B, the total capacity of 3 containers, bottle, jug, and glass, 2.548 liters. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.